Excavator Bucket Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global excavator bucket market size will be $615.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5% from 2024 to 2031. North America excavator bucket market size of $246.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe excavator bucket market size of $184.56 million. Asia Pacific excavator bucket market size of $141.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America excavator bucket market size of $30.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa excavator bucket market size of $12.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.